There you go, boo. Mmm. You're such a good girl. Sit back, honey. You don't have to move forward.
She says you're not quick enough.
Yeah, hurry up.
Jeez. There you go. You want to try with your hands?
This is her left arm. Everybody be walking.
You want to try with your hands? You don't have to do that, Brian. It's okay.
Well, put it in her mouth, or else she's going to.
She just grabbed the spoon and put it in her mouth.
It's because you were just dangling it right in front of her nose.
That's unbelievable.
Got like a carrot popsicle, huh?
Did you give me a tag on that? That's not what spicy. I thought it was.
Jeez. Run out of food, Bill. Jeez.
You heard us dive in.
Okay, there you go. Want some avocado for dessert?
Oh,
Oh.
You remember eating Katie's junior-sized food?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Daddy, we're out of food.
What do you
You want me
like
to
best?